Alright, this is going to be a quick room tour of room 2168, so that's 2172. So as you enter, you're greeted with a nice little kitchen, sorry, a nice little closet. Hey there, you can see me with my wolf ears. It's got a nice little sink. On here is the bathroom. Got a nice little bathtub with shower. I'm not going to turn it on because I want to get my camera wet. There's your amenities. Here's the towels. Got a Kohler toilet, and we'll flush it just for the toilet bins. So there's the bathroom. Then we have the main room. And here's the wolf den where I slept. I slept on the bottom bunk. And there's a pretty nice bed. Generic alarm clock. Over here you have a coffee maker, coffee essentials, and ice bucket. Got your fridge. LG flat screen TV. You got a light here over a little table. Very nice. Here's the bed. 2 end tables with an alarm clock and a hotel telephone. There's the remote for the TV. And over here's a little lamp. Nice couch with a hide bed. This does not open, but it's a coffee table. And out there you can get a view of the snow. And over here is the bed. Now, this is where a lot of hotels hide their dirty little secrets. We all know that Andrew's video, Diesel Deuce's video of the Marriott in Richmond had a dirty bed. Let's see if this one's hiding any dirty secrets. So, first layer looks good. Let's check down here. And just a little speck there. And see if we can pull. Oh, here we go, the mattress. And it is clean, so this passes the cleanliness test of a clean bed. So sorry if it's short. I couldn't get to do a hotel tour because we're running low on time. So that is a little hotel room tour of this room at the Grey Wolf Lodge, and that'll be it.